Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to add money in Google Ads account. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Adding money to your Google Ads account is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. First of all, log into your Google Ads account in the Google Ads website. Click on the Tools and Settings icon in the upper right corner. Under the billing section, select Billing and Payments. In the Billing and Payment section, click on Summary. For accounts on manual payments, you will find the Add Funds button to make a payment. For accounts on automatic payments, you will find the Make a Payment button instead. Select your preferred payment method like credit card, debit card, or bank account. Enter the required payment information and click Save. At last, confirm the payment. Follow the prompts to confirm your payment. Credit card payments usually take no more than 24 hours to settle. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.